Today, we're playing a game called Speak Out, okay? You can't speak out, okay? I'm trying to hold up. You can't speak out, and then you gotta guess what each other say, okay? You gotta take it. I think I need to take a break. You gotta get a little break. We gotta guess what we saying, okay? I feel like it's about to start right now. I'm live.
This the one I'm using. Okay. I think they can see. Alright, so. Okay.
Wait, am I even in it? Or like, yeah, we in it. Alright. Alright, hold it close to me.
They can
So
see it from the back.
Kiwi,
It's a different. Alright, ready? Alright. No more.
those are.
No. No.
Nowhere.
No.
No one.
No.
No Lord.
No more fighting.
No more fighting for. Or.
We drain the hood.
No more fighting or we dream.
No more fighting or we drain the hood.
We drain the hood. We drain the hood.
We drain the hood.
What? We drain the hood.
We drain the hood. We drain the hood.
No more fighting. We drain the hood. We drain the hood.
We drain the hood. Okay.
She said,
We drain the pool.
alright, my turn.
You gotta make sure they can see it. It's not blurry. Look at the back of the camera.
It's not blurry.
Oh, it's not. It's okay.
Your uncle is some kind of
iron. What?
nigga. What?
Add.
Bad bitten. Dad. Mad.
Add a key. Add a after a.
Adby.
Add the letter after a. To add.
Add B.
No! Add the letter after a to add.
Adder.
What's the letter after a?
B.
Add is to add.
Ab.
What?
What is she talking about?
The letter after a.
Why are you looking at our legs?
And then add it. They're looking at our legs.
You doing this in a video?
Yes.
Oh, bad.
Yes. Written. Show the card. Bad.
Litten.
Huh?
Litten.
No. Written.
Bitten.
Mitten. Kitten. What?
Mitten.
Yeah.
Shut up. Mitten.
Mastermind. Yeah. That's the whole thing. Your uncle is some kind of bad mastermind. Yeah, mastermind.
Okay, stupid.
Yeah. Oh, in this. Alright, ready? Let's see another. I ain't gonna let I see the card. Oh, snap. I was just looking straight at the card. You see that? I didn't see what it said.
Me neither. I missed
my train and now I
have
to walk 50
miles.
Y'all see the card?
That's it. Where else you gonna walk? 50 yards? 50 hours?
It makes sense, right? Alright, here. What the heck? It makes my lips chat. Me too. I'll be like, what the? You going?
Alright. I have to like take this on.
ain't like go away. Oh no, sweaty.
Okay. I think they can see. Alright, ready?
It's key.
I.
I'm trying to show y'all.
Sit down and show us.
I'm.
No. I'm. No. She said I.
Ice.
No. Like with the apostrophe.
Oh.
With the
Oh.
apostrophe D. No. Apostrophe
V.
yeah.
I've
Yes. I've been lacking.
watching.
Relaxing.
Relaxing.
No.
Waxing. She said no. Waxing the
convertible.
what? What?
Convertible.
Convertible?
Yes.
Oh, convertible.
For
For
50 minutes.
50 minutes.
Yes.
Oh,
I'll
great,
say the whole
amazing.
thing.
I've been
Waxing
the convertible for 50 minutes.
Yes.
All right, my turn. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh snap! What the heck? You ready? R. Porcupine. Ites.
Nights.
Bites. Cousins. Hoodless. Poisonous.
Huh?
Poisonous.
Poisonous.
Yeah, that's it.
Are porcupines bites poisonous?
Alright, let me do it again. Let me do another one. My. Teacher.
Teacher.
Eager.
Teacher.
Eager.
Beeper. Beeper.
Keeps. Eating.
Eking.
Beeping. And it's
annoying.
making me
Mad.
nuts.
Upset.
Nuts. Yeah.
She did another one.
Here, I'm gonna take this. Okay. Key. My phone.
I didn't make it drop.
No. Kid. Of. Mine. Will. Where. Dunny.
Bunny.
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 Undy. Dun. Undy.
Money. Dummy.
Honey.
Honey. Ugly.
Undy.
Bunny ears.
Money. Ditches.
Bitches.
I don't even curse. I didn't even say that. Oh my god. Riches.
Riches.
Wishes. The letter after A.
Britches.
Riches. Say it.
Exactly.
No kid of mine.
No kid of mine will
bitches.
wear a bunny bitches.
I can't this. I didn't mean to say that because I really don't curse.
Bunny britches.
Yes, only riches. This is like you think of it in your head and just come out your mouth. But I really didn't mean to say that. This video won't get us in trouble.
I didn't do that.
Y'all heard what I said?
Seesaw under. Browns.
Browns.
No.
You just seen the car.
Browns. No. Browns. Browns. It's another E.
Brown brows.
No. Ew.
Browns.
You look it.
I dropped a little. I can't see.
So I have to say
Ew.
Brambles. Brambles?
Yes.
Brambles? What is that?
I don't know. It just said.
I don't know what that is. I would have never guessed.
Stop the car.
We'll stop the.
Stop the car.
We'll stop the car.
Stop the car.
We'll stop the fall.
No.
I'm gonna get it go away.
Okay.
When
I was younger, your age,
we
wore
here
hills, eagle,
heaver
beaver, yeah, eager, Else
Belts.
to
To
play.
play.
Yes.
Yes. When we was younger, we wore beaver belts to play.
Yeah.
That don't even make sense. They just talking. Alright, I can do my last one. Wait, we gotta wash them as soon as we done though. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
The
Prickly. Prickly. Sickly.
Hickley.
Hickly.
Crickly with a He.
Oh, I got that on. Pickly.
With an R.
Prickly. Prickly.
Crickly.
Prickly. Prickly.
Yes. Pines.
Times.
Pines.
Pines.
Turn.
Turn.
Here.
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 Hair.
Here. The He.
Pear. Pear.
Here green.
Green.
The prickly pines turn here green.
The prickly pines.
The prickly pines turn here green. The prickly pines turn here green.
The prickly pines turn hair green.
The prickly pines turn here green. Yeah.
Yes, we know. Yes.
Yes.
You better make sure you wash that.
close.
You better make sure you wash that and dry it.